Hey, welcome back to the STEM Center. Today we're going to focus on a brand new project, Clean Up the Ocean STEM Challenge. As you can see, we've been down in the ocean taking a look around, and some of the things that we've been able to see we don't really care for. Take a look at this turtle having some lunch on a plastic cup. This turtle is all caught up and can't have any lunch. Nylon and polymers, plastics, all kinds of plastic in the ocean that needs to be cleaned up. And what we're going to do is we're going to supply your students with a STEM challenge. Their task is going to be to develop a plan to clean up the plastic out of the oceans. And as you can see, we have everything they need to do the job. So this is their format that they're going to follow. We even have a career spotlight of a marine biologist. I hope you have fun with this. Have a great day. I'll see you next time back here at the STEM Center.